Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Detailed Recipes channel. To prepare a fish menu, I will prepare things that will go well with mackerel. First of all, you will prepare the fish tarator sauce. You can use dried bread or similar, walnut garlic mayonnaise and olive oil, salt and lemon juice. First, I soak the bread with cold water. These are Ramadan pitas and as you can see they are completely dry. I place the yogurt in the strainer and wait for the water to drain. You can use a slightly solid yogurt. After the bread softens a little, I squeeze it with my hand, drain the water and transfer it to the other bowl. Fish tarator is a type of cold appetizer. I add the walnuts to the mixer and add the garlic. After mixing the walnuts and garlic in the mixer for a few turns, I added the bread that I squeezed. I mixed the bread in the mixer until it was crushed. I add the crushed ingredients to the mixing bowl and add the strained yogurt on top. I will squeeze the juice of 3 lemons and add it. Children add lemon juice and salt. I'm waiting for mayonnaise. Some garlic powder and flavoring ingredients. After mixing the ingredients a little, I will add olive oil and mix once more and it will be ready. After adding the olive oil, I now mix it well and the fish sauce will be ready. If you donate to the video, you will make me happy. Friends, I had to pay a little too much debt. Maybe you might want to help me because of this YouTube tax penalty. Now, green salad is a must with fish, and I will show you the green salad I have been making for 20 years. Arugula and cress are generally preferred with fish, but what really impresses me is the taste of cress, which is better. Purslane, fresh mint, sour ear herb, dill parsley, beard grass, mallow and donkey lettuce. Basil is a very fragrant herb, black lettuce. As you can understand, I will not use normal curly lettuce or any other lettuce. I generally use fragrant herbs and sour herbs in this green salad. If you have fresh thyme, for example, you can add it. It would be great. Now, to wash these herbs, I fill a large pot with cold water and dip the herbs into the water, take them out, dip them, take them out, dip them, take them out, then dip them again and take them out. Yes, I think it's purple lettuce, or some say black lettuce or red lettuce. Fresh and healthy, you can definitely try it. Yes, it is very delicious. I chop the salad ingredients into large pieces. There are people who prepare this salad without using a knife. They tear it with their hands. I don't want to torture myself. It's a little easier to chop it with a knife. Just chop it into large pieces, the rest is no problem. Of course, if you want, you can consume these greens mixed as a whole, without making a salad. If there are thick stems, remove them and chop the rest into a few pieces, okay? I mix the chopped ingredients thoroughly in my hand. After pouring the salad into a steel and deep bowl, I mix it some more. I will prepare a sauce to pour over this salad. I use lemon juice, grape vinegar, pomegranate syrup, olive oil and linseed oil in this sauce. The salad dressing is ready. Now let's chop some lemon. You can cut one lemon into 6 pieces and 8 pieces. Now I will prepare fish and potatoes with onions. I chop the onions a little thicker. Since we will be sautéing these onions, I will not chop them very finely. I add the chopped onions to the pot. Sunflower oil. I fry the onions until they caramelize. Some red capsicum. I add salt, pepper, black pepper and some thyme. Some soy sauce, a little pomegranate syrup. I cut the boiled small potatoes into 2 or 3 and added them here. Now let's mix all the ingredients and it's ready to serve. It's really delicious and wonderful. The mackerel fillets arrived this way and I will now sauce them and get them ready to bake in the oven. The fish is slightly icy and fresh. Now I will salt the fish first. I add enough salt to the fish and add sunflower oil on it. Black pepper. Red powdered pepper. Now we sauce the fish gently without damaging it. If you donate to the video, you will make me happy. Friends, I had to pay a little too much debt. Maybe you might want to help me because of this YouTube tax penalty. I will use aluminum trays. I grease the tray a little. This fish will still stick, but you can sprinkle some flour on the tray, then it will not stick. I place the fish on the tray nicely, leaving no gaps. There will be 2 pieces of fish for 1 person. I will bake it in the oven at 180 degrees for 15 minutes until golden brown. While the fish is frying, I clean up a little. The fish is okay. This is enough to cook. Do not dry it too much. I'll take this home for myself. It is necessary to serve halva after fish. It is mandatory here. I do not slice cocoa tahini halva, friends. The halva looks very fresh. I saw it while I was preparing the video. It made me want to go and eat some. Thank you for watching. Asking questions is always possible. You can comment. Don't forget to click the like button and turn on the bell notification. See you again in a new video. Stay with love. Goodbye.